Honor is rumored to launch its next flagship smartphone, the Magic 8 Pro Mini, by the end of 2025. The Magic 8 Pro Mini is expected to provide a smaller yet equally powerful option compared to its larger versions. Honor Magic lineup consists of 3 models: the Standard, the Pro, and the Ultimate. The phone maker introduced a new Porsche variant in 2023 and continued the trend since then. All these models feature big screens and offer a dynamic feel to the hands. However, on Weibo, a tipster teased that Honor is working on a new mini flagship. Digital Chat Station claimed that one of the top 5 phone makers could launch a new Pro Mini smartphone later this year. According to the rumors, Huawei, Honor, Oppo, Xiaomi, and Vivo are currently the top 5 Chinese phone makers. Among all these brands, Honor slightly fits in this league as others already launched small screen devices. Oppo is likely to roll out a 6.3-inch small handset in H1 2025, whereas Xiaomi has been offering small phones for years. Vivo has already unveiled its X200 Pro Mini version in October last year. Meanwhile, Huawei releases Mate lines in the second half of the year with 4 main models and has a separate line for small handsets. Therefore, Honor might launch a new Magic 8 Pro Mini version by the end of this year. While it's yet to be officially confirmed by the company. Despite making phones, Honor is planning to expand its smartphone business in Indonesia. The company's entry into the country could become a big hurdle for Apple.